Malam. First, I want to give congratulations to my players because some of them was very tired and they make a fantastic match.
Pertama-tama saya ingin mengucapkan kepada pemain saya selamat karena beberapa dari mereka memang sangat kelelahan dan tetap mereka memberikan usaha yang fantastis luar biasa hari ini, malam ini.
I think it's not easy to play many matches in short period and many travels and come here play against Persija that have more time and less matches than us. So the stamina and the squad is much better. Go to transfer market and see. They not lose any key player compared last season and they bring good players. We lose important key players local, important key players foreign, and we come here and we are the best team on the field. I think the team Tirabagos today was the Wasit team. If he give kartu kuning to Ridu on 15 minutes, Ridu, fantastic player. But here, he make a mistake. This is mera card. So if he give kartu kuning here, how is possible give 5 kartu kuning to us and 4 kartu kunings to Persija? That was a moment that all the fouls that we make, he give kartu kuning. This is unbelievable. You can improve with the players, you can improve the coaches, but if you not improve the Wasit team, you don't have a chance to develop the Indonesia football. National team player, good player Ridu. How can it possible not get mera card here? This is what? If you continue this, after you see on some games, people hitting the referee. Because last matches, Wasit team don't have respect with our team. Go to check Arema match. There is a penalty and there is a sent-off. Nobody speak. Go to check Psichimaran. There is a sent-off and 2 a penalty. At least 1 clear. Nobody check. And today, 15 minutes. How you want to deserve the respect of this? This is what I like very much Ridu, but he also can make a mistake. And here today, the referee was not fair with us. The players not deserve this kind of things. If you give kartu kuning this, how you can give 5 kartu kunings to normal fouls? I'm very disappointed. We create 5 big goal attempts. I just remember them, 1 on the first half and 1 the goal on the second. I don't see nothing. I think Persija have fantastic players, fantastic supporters, but sorry to say this, today the referee helped Persija. This cannot be, I like Ridu, risky Ridu, but this is unacceptable. Sorry.
Saya kira ini tidak mudah bagi kita karena kita menjalani banyak pertandingan dan jeda antara pertandingan sangat sedikit dibandingkan dengan Persija yang sebelumnya sudah main. Mereka punya waktu yang lebih banyak untuk persiapan pertandingan ini. Dan kita lihat Persija adalah tim yang bagus. Dari musim lalu ke musim ini mereka tidak kehilangan pemain kunci mereka, maupun asing maupun lokal. Sedangkan kita adalah tim yang kehilangan pemain kunci kita, asing dan juga lokal. Tapi kedua tim berjuang hari ini, tapi saya kira tim yang tidak melakukan tugasnya dengan baik adalah tim Wasit. Pada menit ke-15, Rido melakukan hal ini. Saya tidak ada komentar apapun tentang Rido. Rido adalah pemain yang bagus, Rido adalah pemain timnas yang bagus, tapi pemain juga bisa membuat kesalahan. Cuman Wasit memberikan kartu kuning, 5 kartu kuning kepada foul normal kita dan memberikan kartu kuning kepada ini. Saya kira Wasit di sini harus tidak fair dan membantu Persija. Maaf saya katakan begitu. Pelanggaran ini sangat keras dan Wasit tidak memberikan respect kepada kita. Sama juga di pertandingan-pertandingan sebelumnya ada momen-momen yang kurang menguntungkan dan Wasit tidak fair kepada kita di pertandingan sebelumnya, di 2 pertandingan sebelumnya, dan kita menciptakan 5 peluang bagus, dan saya kira juga Persija bekerja keras di pertandingan hari ini.
Just one thing, and to speak about Wasit, because the man of the match today was the Wasit. If you're going to see, because I know that the TV not go to make this. All the times that we want to play, they cut. They're not allowed to play. There are many times that they put offside. Where is offside? You need to let play. The pay, okay, today nobody come to pay ticket, but the football is to create emotion. And here, these guys, today, they are helping Persija. Persija no need to do this. Persija strong team. Why you make this? I don't understand why Wasit make 2 rules. One for PC Makassar, all the time give kartu kuning, and other that allowed everything. Come on, respect our work. If coach have bad work, coach out. If player bad work, player out. If Wasit make mistake against Arema, against Pemain, and now against Persija, what's happened with them? What's happened? I asked to you, I send to you, what's happened? I don't see nothing. If you want to try to protect one team and to try to put another team to down, this is what I feel. On these matches since 11 September that I feel. And this is not the excuse. We not lose because the referee, because the penalty maybe we not score, and the sent-off, I already saw many teams with 10 or 9 against 11 to not score the goal. But the referee is not fair. He's not making the same rules. And if we want to develop Indonesia football, we must have respect for all the players, all the coaches of the 2 sides. And they not respect us. If they allowed on 15 minutes like this, and after show 5 kartu kunings to us, come on. Sorry to say this, but I am very upset.
Ya, dan coach menambahkan man of the match dari pertandingan ini adalah wasit. Jadi semua momen pada saat kita ingin melakukan serangan balik dihentikan oleh wasit. Harusnya kita diberikan momen keuntungan untuk melanjutkan pertandingan. Tapi tidak, wasit menghentikan untuk offside, wasit menghentikan untuk ini. Kita tidak bisa melanjutkan permainan kita. Dan yang saya rasakan adalah wasit membantu Persija. Ngapain sih Persija dibantu? Persija adalah tim besar, tim kuat. Dan ini yang saya rasakan. Dan terlihat sekali bahwa ada 2 aturan di lapangan tadi. Double standard. Satu untuk Persija dan satu untuk kami. Dan apa yang terjadi jika pelatih melakukan pekerjaan buruk? Pelatih akan dipecat. Pemain melakukan pekerjaan buruk. Pemain akan dikeluarkan dari tim. Tapi wasit, kalau sepak bola Indonesia ingin berkembang, wasit harus diperbaiki. Dan ini yang saya rasakan di pertandingan sebelumnya juga, Arema, PSIS, dan hari ini Persija. Wasit tidak melakukan atau menerapkan aturan yang sama kepada kami. Double standard kepada tim lawan dan kepada kami.
1 poin away, kita tetap bersyukur. Terima kasih pada pelatih, tim, dan supporter. Kita udah bekerja keras, dan terima kasih supporter udah mendukung. Ya, kita mempunyai banyak peluang, tetapi belum bisa mengeksekusi. Harus berbenahi lagi dan latihan lagi. Semoga kedepannya bisa lebih bagus. Terima kasih.
In my opinion, I cannot speak about the other games, but I'm gonna give you examples. Go to Czech, number 80 from 8-0, Pemain, last match. I'm gonna give you examples. Number 8, Pemain, what he do to Uran? Okay, he hit 2 times, one here and one here. Kartu kuning. The game before, Pemain, number 94, make this to one player. Merakart. Go to VAR, Merakart. Give another example. I think was yesterday on the game, ball touch here and here, penalty. Go to see Arema against us, the captain of Arema, we shoot the ball, like the ball go to the goal, hit here, and the referee say no penalty. Go to see Champions League last season, Real Madrid, Manchester City, touch, penalty. Other, last game against Pemain, throw-in from Zaki. Number 6, Nam from Pemain, hit with the ball, and the ball goes to my player inside of the box, and it touch on with the arm. So the ball changed the direction because it touching the arm, and the arm must be here, not here. Okay? No penalty. I don't know if after with the penalty we score or not, but if you go to analyze, you're going to see big difference. And this put me crazy because since I come here, I say many times that Indonesia need the VAR, but they have the VAR, but they not use. Or if they use wrong. Okay? They say Makassar never win away for Liga 1 against Persija, and like this, never go to win.
Saya berikan saja contoh.
8-0.
Oke. Kalau saya berikan contoh di pertandingan sebelumnya, nomor 80. Kalau kalian tonton juga pertandingannya dan bisa cek kembali, nomor 80 memukul Yuran 2 kali, hanya kartu kuning. Dan di pertandingan Persib lawan PSIS, Wasit memberikan kartu merah.
To number 94 of Pemain.
Nomor
Same.
94.
Same.
Dan sebelumnya TSM lawan Arema, bola disut dan terkena tangan dan tidak penalti. Ini sudah dilihat oleh wasit. Padahal contoh di liga-liga Eropa, Real lawan City itu penalti.
Here and here penalty.
Kena menyentuh dan bola menyentuh ke tangan. Tangan kan harusnya di sini, tapi dia naik. Dan lawan PSIS juga menit ke-6. Bola menyentuh tangan dan bola berganti arah. Tidak penalti. Kita tidak tahu apakah setelah penalti itu diambil, kita tidak tahu ini gol atau tidak. Tapi paling tidak aturan itu berbeda. Ya, sebagai catatan saja, PSM lawan Persija tidak pernah menang away di kandang Persija. Dan dengan cara seperti ini, saya kira PSM tidak akan pernah ke depannya.
And see how they make the difference. This was on 15 minutes. We are winning from Lapan 1-0. If we get Mera card, they are playing without one player, important player, Rido. Fantastic player, in my opinion. See the difference. We are winning, and they have one less player. Make the total difference. And this is why one team always win, another team never win. Sorry to say this.
Ya, dan lihat, ini terjadi di menit ke-15. Dan wasit biarkan ini terjadi. Dan kita memimpin mulai dari menit ke berapa? Menit ke-8. Dan kalau wasit biarkan ini, kartu merah, Persija akan bermain dengan 10 orang. Pasti beda sekali. Memang wasit tidak izinkan itu terjadi. Tidak perbolehkan itu terjadi. Maaf, dia harus